For my quiz tool, I used Quizlet. For Quizlet, you can type in the different terms and questions on one side and then the information on the other side. So I have like some definitions here of the different types of child development, as well as like a question over all of them. And then I have just another one about stages here. For Quizlet, you can just read the terms as is, or there's different options up here of ways you can do it. So you can do flashcards, you can learn, you can write, you can learn how to spell them, you can quiz yourself, you can match them, and then you can also play like the game Gravity. The cool thing about Quizlet is that they're like different games as well as they're like kind of competitive, so like you can do it and then like I already tried it one time and have a best time, so you can try to beat your time. So it's not too difficult, but it also is like a fun way to keep kids entertained. Um, just a simple like study tool. You can use flashcards and just read them off. And this is a nice way to like study and practice and just kind of stay involved while learning.